Hey everyone, my name is Logan Lowery and I'm teaching 8th grade science this year. I know this year has not been normal by any means, but I've so enjoyed getting to work and know this group of kids, and I just look forward to our rest of the year together and getting to know them even better. A little bit about me: I actually attended Creighton Middle School and AC Flora. I then went to Presbyterian College, and since then I've been teaching math and science for the last 4 years in Richland One Middle Schools. The main concepts we're going to hit this year include force and motion, which we've started already, waves, Earth's biological history, Earth structure and processes, and astronomy. Students do have access to a textbook online through McGraw-Hill Connect Ed. This is actually linked in their team. So if the student is in the general channel at the top of their screen, they're going to see access to their textbook, where all they have to do is log in with their username and password. They don't actually have to leave the Teams platform. So again, teams, all of our important documents are housed in the FAQ section, such as course requirements, spell schedule, IT help, etc. The assignments function in Teams is probably going to be the biggest helper for us this year. It lets the student know what's due, when it's due. It has any attachments already in the assignment. Also, you can see when your child submitted it, if it was turned in on time or not, as well as review any feedback I give students on their assignments. How can you help your student be successful this year? Biggest thing, encourage your student to study their vocabulary words. I have linked Quizlet to their teams. Again, if they're in the live class sessions channel, at the top, they'll see Quizlet. We practice getting to this in class so they can study it on their own time. Vocabulary can be one of the biggest hurdles to students being successful in science. Also, check PowerSchool, see if there are any missing assignments or assignments that need to be redone. And lastly, encourage your child to come to RTI. RTI is this wonderful thing we have been able to build into our schedule this year from 2 to 3:45, where students can reach out to their teachers for individual or small group help, which has helped students be really successful and build their confidence for during class time. Again, please reach out to me if you have any questions. I'm so looking forward to working with your student. I hope everyone is staying safe and healthy.